isn't lit and completely out of the way. Typically, there's a guy on my level that parks a motorbike there, but he isn't meant to, and I doubted he minded. He dumped it between the pillar and the wall with the nose pointing towards the wall, and I took back my angry note, the Jags, and we left to enjoy our weekend. When we came back Monday morning after the long weekend, the car was still there, which was no real surprise considering there was only about a foot of space for movement between the pillar and the car, and another foot or so between the car and the wall. From the fact that the front wheels had changed, we're guessing the guy did try to get it out, unsuccessfully. It eventually went later in the week, though I'm not exactly sure how they managed it, and I never saw the car again. Guys, I have one question. How in the world does one guy keep going back to the same parking spots after having multiple notes put on his window saying that he can't park there? Is this entitlement? Did he not read? This is absolutely ridiculous, guys. So my friend in Korea studies fashion design. She sometimes sends me over the sketches of the designs, and they all look amazing. Then again, I'm not into fashion. She's particularly interested in designing handbags and purses. She told me a story about how she shut down one of the most entitled, self-centered, lazy students on campus. So the cast of the story is Grace, our main character girl, Jane, the evil one, Professor, the instructor of the course. So at first, Grace and Jane got along just fine. They were both interested in similar stuff and quickly became best friends forever. Grace decided to show Jane her sketches and designs for handbags and purses, and Jane was so impressed by it. Even the professor was impressed by it, and it was no surprise that Grace got a high mark on their first major exam. Jane did not do so well. She practically followed Grace everywhere to get pointers on how to do better, so Grace decided to help her out. Unfortunately, Jane turned out to be one of the most entitled, lazy, and selfish people that Grace has ever met. The things Jane did to piss Grace off included, but not limited to, not paying attention, being late on their study session, never showed appreciation, didn't pay for coffee or snack, complaining annoyingly about how hard it was to draw something. Grace pretty much gave up after a week, refusing to meet Jane outside of her class. Time went by, and for their midterm, everyone in the class had to do a presentation on the stuff they designed. When it was Jane's turn, Grace was shocked to see that Jane had stolen one of her designs. Thankfully, Grace had multiple designs going on, so there was no conflict when it was her turn to present, but she was seething with rage. Grace had a meeting with the professor afterwards, and the professor knew what was going on, but really couldn't do anything about it because Jane was the daughter of the chairman, and the chairman apparently blackmailed the professor into giving Jane the best grades. The professor did, however, help Grace devise a plan to humiliate and expose Jane. For the finals, the professor announced to the class that they would do another presentation, but it would be 3 designs, and advised they had to bring their A-games because professionals from industries would be grading their work, and the head of the department and the chairman would be there as well. So, you know how Grace had a bunch of sketches for the class? Well, Grace also had a separate sketchbook that had designs for major brands. Coors, Coach, you name it. She never used these directly for class assignments, but rather as inspirations for her designs. Grace pretended to be friendly with Jane again and brought the other sketchbook on their meetings, still putting up with all the problems mentioned above. Grace secretly worked tirelessly on her new design and did their best to keep the secret from Jane. So the day of the presentation finally arrives, and Grace and the professor are grinning because they know what's about to happen. Grace went first. She got a lot of praise from the judges, and after a few more presentations, the last one to go was Jane. Jane's presentation turned out to be another copycat, copying designs of not 1, not 2, but 3 different companies. After the presentation, this was how it all went down, at least according to Grace. Judge 1 says, "So, you're saying you designed all these by yourself, right?" Jane says, "That's right." Judge 1 says, "And you swear that it was really your design, and you didn't copy this from anything else, right?" Jane says, "I swear." Judge says, "You're aware your designs are from 3 brands." Jane was confused and said, "Huh? Are you aware that these are on the market right now and some of the most popular designs?" Judge 2 comes in and says, "Yeah, I was gonna bring this up. If you had worked for any brand, you would have probably been fired, or worst case, sued. Did you honestly think this would work? We, the judges, have been in the industry for over 10